Wilfa ice maker, and I'm going to show you how to enable the cleaning function on this device. So first, the device is powered off, and you need to power it on by plugging in the cord. Once the cord is plugged in, the power button kind of blinks, but you need to press once on the on-off button like this, and then you need to still hold the power button for 2 seconds according to the manual, and then the S and L lights should start blinking. Okay, it seems I had to try a few times. Maybe it depends kind of on what state the machine is in. So for me this time it worked when I just plugged in the power cord first and then just held the on-off button down, and now we have the S and L lights blinking and it's doing the cleaning function. So you need to have a mix of water and vinegar in here, and it will pump up the water from there, and it will push the water up there, and it won't freeze it, it will just let the water flow, and that's cleaning the pipes. But in addition, you do need to drain all of the old water first out and wipe down the bucket with preferably a mixture of vinegar and water again. So that's all I have about cleaning a Wilfa ice maker. Most likely others are very similar. Thanks for watching.